fancy with toboggan.
Does say toboggan, yeah? Christmas Eve.
What did they say?
25 metres apart from each other.
Toboggan.
Here it comes.
Here comes the
'Come on, have we go.
I'm doing it.
Sit back a bit. There we go. Yeah. Go.
Keep it slow on the corners, alright?
Go.
Now for the bumpy pin. And this is like a train.
It is a bit like a train, isn't it? Wow, that's pretty, isn't it?
Are they doing the class?
They're doing tubing.
Tubing?
Yeah.
What's tubing?
Where you sit in a rubber ring,
Yeah.
you go down a hill.
We did one of them.
You wave with the camera.
Say it again.
You wave with the camera.
Why?
This is fun. Wave with the camera. Hold your tongue out.
We did
Lift the toe.
up top. Just a further.
What do you reckon it's going to be like today? There we go. Thank you. Whoops. Here we go.